and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the new update now. I told you guys. Is there happening right now? Nope, nothing guys. What's going on? What's going on? I'm waiting for this update. No Jandel. No talking. No loud. Jandel, what's going on? Just tell me. Huh? Please just tell me what's going on, guys. What's going on? Oh, what is this? No, I don't know what's going on. Huh? Wait a minute. 6 seconds. Okay, now what? Huh? What? Okay guys, wait for me. Okay guys, parang walang nangyari dito. What's going on here? Jandel, what's going on? What is going on? Nah, guys, tell me in the comment down below what is going on in this. Wala ko, sisigaw na ako. Guys, lalapit ako. Guys, is this the quiet event? I don't think so, because just look at it. Oh man, corrupted kitsune. Yeah, she have kitsune. Trade me or corrupted kitsune. Guys, tignan natin kung bakit. Okay man, stop the video. Well guys, normal video and normal event. Guys, antayin pa rin natin katulad ng event. Katulad ng war event, hindi, admin war. Kasi guys, diba, sabi ko, hello guys, na-late tayo. Baka naman talaga. She AFK man. Oh man. Okay guys, easy peasy. Okay guys, yup, tama. Corruptive kitsune ko pinagbago. May pinagbago, diba? It's so crazy, man. Hey yo, man, trade me. Yup, nope, no. Trade me or kitsune. Kitsune. Okay. Don't need that. Okay, fine. Pig. Sabi raw pig. Okay guys, ito na talaga nakita ko normal na na event. Yo, how much is that? 900. Okay Okay guys, tignan natin kung gano'n i-trade niya. Ayun siya. Ay, itong ina nito. Sige, suluhin mo ni pera. Well guys, tama nga ako. Normal event lang talaga to. Tignan niyo guys, antayin ko mo hanggang mamaya. Sana hindi ako malungkot tsaka mabigay ko pa to Corruptive Kitsune. Yeah. Place it down and wait a minute guys, okay? Just understand. Ayun na guys, ayun na! May nangyayari na. What is... Oh, wait. Ano po ito nangyayari? Akala ko guys, joke na. Oh my God, thank you so much. Pagigibak lang ako forever. Joke lang. Tignan niyo guys, pag nakayo ako sa relay. Takay ba sa'yo po? Naka-stick yung ulo ko. What's going on? My room too late. Oh shit, what's going on? Is that it? Is that easy? Is that easy, man? What's going on again? Okay, wait again. Okay, man, Aurora. Not speaking aloud. Please. Please. Mapapaya ako sa mga viewers ko. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung guys, basta pwede ka ba magsalita, men? Handang-handa pa naman yung song ko para sa kanya. Mga crazy. I mean, Aurora is good. Yeah. Thank you, but what are you doing here? Who is this, man? She's in my garden. Oh, man. You are little poor. And the richest. Look at my money, guys. Ay, that's the corn, man. There's nothing crazy about it. Don't never let that go. You are... What the frick? Oh shit, akala ko nakipag-check na siya ng kitsune niya. Gusto ko tong kitsune guys. Ay, grabe. You have corruptive kitsune too. Now what? Okay guys, wait again. Wait a minute. Okay. No, that's a lying. ito. The Mega Man. Is this... oh my god, this is good trade. Oh, it's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Tacos. Try just open your mouth. Close your eyes. Ito nga eh, ito. Oh. Oh, ano? Dragonfly. I said. Nope. Thank you, but no. Huh? Why is she sad? Roblox. My big hub. Mag-add ng I have men, hindi ba nila alam mas rich ako? I have that, man. I have that. Oh, ano? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Mango? No. There's so many. Yeah. No, that's so crazy, man. That's so crazy. Huh? Oh, man. Well, guys, sorry. You know about it. We need to... Yep. That's I need it. All of them is one microraptive kits. Huh? Mango? Mushroom! Hindi ako marunong magbasa, guys. Mushroom pala. Kala ko mango, visit. Okay. Man, walang master sprinkler. Or sprinkler there. Man, I'm so hard to control it. Guys, I need little help. Like and subscribe. I can never. What is this? Oh shit! Buti binalik ko kagad yung garden ko. Ito pinaka-favorite kong event ever I want. Woo! Woo, man! Woo! I'm super lucky, man! Woohoo! Oh man, that corruptive kitsune is a lot. I said this one. Guys, hindi pa siya nakikinig. Like and comment, Like and subscribe pala at comment. War? Huh? War? Why? What? War? What? War? Hindi ako marang magbasa, guys. Ito nga, oh. Ito. Aba, ayaw mo makapag-trade. Sige ba? Wala na mag-trade. Oh, this go. Let's go.